Power up your candy box with Circuit Playground. Make some room in the box for the batteries. It's okay to eat one. Bubbles, Buttercup, and Blossom will keep the rest of the candy safe. Press Reset and download the code. Make a hole for the power to come through. Turn it on and off with the switch on the battery case. Cut out a pretty shape. Copper tape makes the power flow, and capacitive touch makes the magic work. You can eat one more. You worked hard. See the full build tutorial on the Adafruit learning system. And remember to subscribe for more fun projects and videos.
Thank you.